Dalyan, where green and blue meet, is a peaceful holiday town located on the channel which connects Koycegiz Lake with the Mediterranean. The small town is set to a backdrop of stunning mountains, the river overlooked by the ancient ruined cities of Kaunos. Dalyan is one of the most beautiful places in Turkey, with its unspoiled nature, historical texture and immaculate sea. Dalyan villas are located in the most beautiful and desirable area along the Dalyan River, with excellent views of the royal tombs and surrounding mountains from the balconies. Colours of Dalyan villas have a large patio adjacent to the fully equipped kitchen, fitted with a barbecue and provided excellent shade in the heat of the day. This overlooks a 50 square metre swimming pool with sunbeds and umbrellas. The accommodation and leisure facilities have been provided to the highest possible standard. There are 6 spacious rooms in each villa, each having an ensuite, balconies and air conditioning. 2 of the rooms in each villa are on the ground floor for easy wheelchair access. 2 villas are suitable for crowded families for your special occasions such as weddings and honeymoon. The owner of the villas, Arif, also organises all kinds of boat tours and other activities for his guests to have a comfortable stay. Dalyan is an unspoilt part of Turkey. Once you arrive, you won't want to leave. Most people return year after year. For more detailed information, please check out our website.